Black Flame doesn't give a fuck about water. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of Amaterasu. Sasuke-kun. Fucking love Naruto. Great, thanks. 500 does seem to have gone since we last tuned in. How are you and me today? Have had a good day. I've had a wonderful day, and yesterday was even better. Well, no, wait. Today and yesterday are better than all the other days since I've been streaming. Me and Mia are really good. Mia's actually asleep at the moment. It's quite late. But no, we're really good. Definitely enjoying this. Eco Warrior, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Pain Train. Much appreciated. Junty, you owe me bragging rights. But yeah.
Tomorrow, Black Dragon hurting me.
0 changes left. Oh, what the hell? Rob, please, I need an honest answer. What do I do? Help me. You're my only hope. Yes. No. Alright. This is such a calamity fighting this dragon. Don't talk to strangers.
Yes, I thought as much. He's called Calamite, ferocious dragon indeed. Even mighty Anna Londa dared not provoke his ire. I
His
see
ire.
little good coming from this.
Provoke his ire.
My intent is to persevere to the bitter end.
How do you answer? Yes.
Good, good.
What is ready without a dash of
Dash
recklessness?
of recklessness. I've taken a liking to thee.
Well, thank
I
you.
owe thee much for thy service to Artorias. Now, walk and see how God.
This better be a film clip. Oh, epic. Come on, bro. Show me your sawdust. What, is he blind? Is he blind? Is he blind? What the fuck? Damn! Calamite, eat shit and die. Oh! That is epic. You just got fucked up.
Yes. The first shot was never loose.
Loosed.
That will be grounded for a good spell. The rest is in thine hands. I await good fighting.
That's close for now.
Dragon slaying. Knighthood's highest calling.
Knighthood's highest calling. Oh, that was some epic shit. This guy could make some sick montages. Hail the marksmanship of our saviour. There we go. Even though it was crap, but I tried. Shame it was a hard scope. Is that a Call of Duty or Battlefield term? I have no idea. Technically, it was a no scope because he can't use the scope because he has no eyes. What? That is ridiculous. This game's just getting better and better. Royal Wood. Morning Wood. .360 tone no scope. Yeah. COD. Oh, yeah. Face palm. I don't play much Call of Duty, as you can tell. Since when do dogs jump like that? Honestly. Blind 360 no scope. So now I know what you meant by blind, Banksy. Everyone that has been watching my channel play Dark Souls, like, it's been riddle me this, riddle me that, just ridiculous riddles. Oh my god, it's already up to the boss. Oh man. Imagine if, since they got the curse of the undead. Alright. It's not fun unless you experience the pain yourself. Well, that's true. Am I ready to die? Yes, I am, Senpai. Senpai Lu, or Senpai Lu. Here comes the calamity. This might end out like last night for me. What happened last night, Ryan, was I stuck on Artorias. Cut off the tail, by the way, please. Oh, dude, that's me you're asking. But I believe in you, thank you. Yeah, Senpai, you're asking me to do something that I cannot guarantee you I can do. Alright. Dragon Slayer Spear for maximum dragon slaying. Yeah, but it's... Wait, I suppose I could go and upgrade it, honestly, because I've picked up a crap ton of shit to be able to upgrade some shit. And I've got 21,000 souls. Yeah, I'd kind of be insane. Yeah, Artorias. Do it, you'll love yourself. Oh crap. Nah, I'm gonna upgrade my spear because... Not my... Or maybe the spear. We'll see what I can upgrade first. 666 is the first bet to drop off the list. How much more will follow? Onwards! Yeah, we'll see. We'll soon see. I'm definitely going to go upgrade some stuff though. Sorry if this is going to be boring, but it probably won't because I don't really know what I'm doing, so you guys are going to have a laugh. Warp. I think I can go to Chamber of the Princess. Oh wait. Nah, I'll go to the Firelink Shrine. And then from there I'll run to that blacksmith dude that has a bit of I don't know, Diablo 3 swagness about him. Kind of looks like the barbarians. No, that's the weird looking penis. I don't know what they were thinking when they made that thing. Jesus. You can't wait for the final boss since the cheat method can't be used. Okay. Isn't he just like some sort of king? Sorry, branching was AFK. Oh. Kazzy, I have Lucy in the stream. Her name's Fort Breadcrumb. I just thought I'd introduce you to each other. And Lucy, that's Kazzy. Oh shit. Lord of the Flame. Okay. Lord of the Flame. What happens if I win the bet? I have no idea. I win the game. I win the bet too. I honestly don't know. Talk. Yes. Yes. Okay. Reinforced weapon. Why can I not do it? Demon Titanite? I'm very confused. The hell? Well, that meant me, what will I get if you win the bet? It's behind me? I just thought I'd introduce you to Lucy, that's all. I have no idea, nothing I can say. Nothing I can do, unfortunately.
Well, be safe, be careful.
I have no idea what I'm doing. Wrong tab. Is it... No, I don't want to set anyone up. How do I upgrade my weapon? I have no idea. This is quite confusing. Reinforce. Okay. Thank you, Banzi. Alright. I've already killed him. That headless demon behind me. Very large ember. Okay.
Oi, where are you off to?
I'm jetting off out of here. This is confusing stuff. Wait, walk. Chamber of the Princess. So I can't anymore, okay. Yes, that's why I'm heading here. Why would I start to walk? That's weird. Oh crap. Oh, what was the point of that? How many deaths were you until Manus went down? Oh. 500 and something. Almost RTST. Oh, have no idea what that is.